Okay, so in the Inksoft stores, the best graphic to upload is an SVG. But you can't just click save as a SVG, and the file has to be prepared correctly. So let me show you what I'm talking about. I've uploaded this file into Illustrator, and now we need to vectorize it. So let me make my screen thing bigger. Hold on. Let's see if I can. Okay, so we're going to go up here to image trace, and let's choose this picture is pretty. Is it? Let's check the size then. Let's just. Well, all right. So we're just going to choose high fidelity photo, and press OK and let it do its thing. All right, then you have to click expand up here. So that should take care of everything that we really have to do, and then we will export it. As a SVG using the artboards. Okay, so we saved it as a SVG. So, all right, so that's all we'll learn for now. That's just how you save in using Illustrator to an SVG that will work in Inksoft.